It is here. Okay. So we have unhappy customer process flow done. We have customer arrives and waiting line done, but we haven't added any of the activities as of. Okay. Now when we go to the customer service, here we need to have multiple things. So we need to have a acquire resource. Then we need to have the move object, and then we have to have a split coordination stuff. Okay, so we need to have these three in that. Also in the customer get service, we need to add travel activity. Okay, then we need to have a synchronize release and stuff like that. Okay, and similarly before sync we need to create multiple stuffs out there. So now let us create the stuff. Okay, so first we need to have a acquire out here. Okay, in acquire what you're going to write it, get desk worker. Okay, get desk worker. We get the desk worker, right? Let us make this bigger so it is visible, right? So here it is. Then we are going to move the customer to service desk. Move customer to service desk. Okay, move customer to service desk. So here is our stuff. Move customer service desk. Then we have split coordinated task. Okay, split. What we're going to do is coordinated task sequences. Okay, so let us make this out here. Okay, so we have these group of 3 here. Then we need to travel. Okay, now we have coordinated task, but in that we need to now travel object. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to travel and delay service time. Okay, so let me rename the travel now so you will understand the objective for the travel. So travel, what are you going to do? Customer to service desk. Okay, here say customer is going to the service desk. Okay, this is why the travel takes place. Then we have synchronized thing. Okay, we're going to bring this synchronize from coordination out in here. Okay, let us make this bigger because it goes in the second process flow as well, right? And the synchronization is desk worker with customer. Okay, so desk worker with customer. Okay, we have desk worker with customer. Then we have release the service desk. Okay, and then we are going to have a travel customers to happy customers. So let us create the travel customers. Sorry, travel up is customers to happy customer. Okay, so this is a travel thing we have created. Most probably, let us make this bigger. Okay, so here we have, right? So basically we need to have release on the top. Okay, so we release the thing first and then it goes to travel. Okay, and then again we have a synchronize. Okay, I'll just copy this sync at the bottom out here. We have this sync, but this sync is worker and customer finish. Okay, this is worker and customer finish, right? So worker and customer finish. So we have finished they have finished their task, and that is where this happens. And then we are going to have a release thing. So we are going to release the operator or the desk operator, service center person. Okay, so we are going to release the desk worker. Okay, we are releasing the desk worker, and then we are going to destroy the object. Similarly, we did it at the top, right? We are here. Similarly, we are destroying the object, just like we did it here. And happy customers leaves. Here, happy customers leave, right? Happy customers leave. Okay, so here it comes, happy customers leave. Now what are you going to do? we have already added all this turn is there. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to put in the thing in the worker helps customer thing. Okay, here what we're going to do is we are going to create a travel thing. Okay, and in this travel we're going to mention that desk worker to service desk, desk worker to service desk. Okay, we have this travel object here. Okay, desk worker to service desk, then desk worker to back room. Okay, and they might be going there for lunch or something like that. Desk worker to back room. Okay, so we have desk worker to the back room here, and then we are going to have a sync task sequence complete. Okay, we have a sync where task sequence complete. Sorry, we are having a sync. I'll delete this. I'll bring in a sync, and this says that task sequence completes. Okay, so here it is. Task sequence complete. Okay, task sequence complete. So here our process flow is done. Okay, now what you're going to do is we are going to connect the activities from the basically what I can say is by using the connections. Okay, and once the connections and the stuffs are done, we have connected, then what we're going to do is we are going to put in the properties for them. So let us make this. Okay, so the unhappy customer, okay, will be going out from here. Okay, here it goes, the unhappy customers, then it comes down here, then it comes down here. Okay, split, we have a split now. One token will be going here, another token will be going here, then this will be coming down here. Okay, and then we need a synchronized task, right? So this also needs to come in here, right? And then when this comes down, that will come down. So if you look at the numbers, right? So 2, 2, 1, 1. This way it has to come, otherwise your sync will not work. Okay, so you need to first create 2 and then output 2. In the same fashion you did it. Okay, then from here it will again go for a sync. Here we are sending it to the sync, and from the sync again we are bringing it down. Okay, so here we are bringing it. So again here we have 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, so this way this has to be created. So we have the connections been done now. Okay, if you have any queries till here, let me know in the comment section, or you can reach us out from our website LeanSimCorp.com. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to fill in the activities for here. Okay, step by step. So let us go to the service desk resource. In that, what we're going to do is we are going to reference a group which we just created at the start of this video, service desk, and we're going to have nothing been applied there. Okay, so repeat the process for the desk worker as well. We did the another group for the desk workers, have that in the resources. Okay, then what we're going to do is we are going to click the create object. Okay, create object of the customer activity, right? And in that properties here, create object. Here rather than box, we are going to have a flow item as a man. Okay, we're going to have it as a man, and basically what we're going to do it is we are going to create at, not create in. Okay, we are going to create at, and we are going to sample it onto the entrance. Okay, so I'm just going to create at the entrance, create object that is customer, that is man, at entrance. Okay, and the token we are going to assign to is customer. Okay, so type here as customer. So token, this is label. Basically we are assigning the label to the token, and that's a very important thing in a process flow as well as in a 3D environment, to assign labels, because labels are nothing but stickers like thing which helps us track the details or fetch the details for the object flow in the 3D environment and simulation. Okay,
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe. because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.